Hey everybody, and welcome to my shop. A couple months ago I found an old bed frame on the side of the road. And when I say old, I mean old. I'm guessing at least 100 years. From the wood, I think it's mahogany, to the joinery, it's all hand cut, to of course the design. This was a very old bed. So my first thought of course was to just restore the bed. I needed a bed for Tiny anyways. Why not use this? And then I realized that the headboard and the footboard are completely identical, and I suddenly had this idea of two tiny benches and the girls sitting on their wooden benches with a little table playing a game or eating a snack. And I could not shake this vision. So today I'm gonna try to turn this old bed frame into two tiny benches for the girls. Let's see if it works. This came together so nice. Don't want to toot my own horn, but I'm very, very, very happy with how these two benches look. I cannot wait to see the girls sit on them. I mean, Louis can't even sit yet, but I'm patient. The only thing I'm not completely happy with is the thickness of the cushion. It's too thick. It should be half that, so I should change that. That's a lot of talking. Let's go and see how Tiny likes it. One quick update from Smudo. You know, he is struggling with cancer. He had cancer. They had to take out 3 tumors, 2 on the head, 1 on the side. We got the biopsy reports and it was a grade 1 mast cell tumor. And grade 1 means good news. He does not have to do a chemotherapy, no radiation. Smudo is cancer-free. Thank you so much. Thanks for all your nice messages on Instagram. Thanks for all the support. I appreciate it. And now let's hear it from this week's sponsor. This week's video is brought to you by HelloFresh. And if you know what HelloFresh is, America's #1 meal kit, and you want to try it, then please check out the link in my description. If you sign up using that link, we get a special bonus. And we, of course, is Smudo and I. If you've never heard of HelloFresh, let me explain real quick. It's simple. HelloFresh is a subscription-based meal kit. The reason I'm using it right now is because I'm going back and forth between the old house, the new house, and my shop. And I don't want to keep fresh food in 3 different fridges because that's not really sustainable. Instead, I order from HelloFresh and take this meal kit with me, and whenever I get hungry, I just cook it wherever I am. It's pretty perfect for this scenario. And another reason I really like it is because they have a variety of different foods that you can order from. It's a list of over 30 different meals that you can pick from, and you can filter it for calorie smart or vegetarian or whatever you're into. And you just order your meals, tell them how many people you're cooking for, in my case 2, Smudo and I, and then they simply send over the meal kits. And if you're gone for a week or something, you can just pause this subscription. And right now they have a special thing they call Free Breakfast for Life. And that means for as long as you have an active subscription going, they will send you a free breakfast with every box, which is a pretty insane deal. If that got your interest, if you want to try it, go to my description, click the link, and sign up using this link for an extra bonus for Smudo and I. I want to thank you guys for watching. I want to thank you guys for subscribing in case you do. And then I want to thank HelloFresh for supporting my work. And I will see you next week with a new video.